Hello everybody, my name is Lewa. Today we'll be talking about kinds of sleeping people and their sleeping schedules. Well, probably you're gonna be some person in this group of sleeping person. Well, let's see if you're in them or not. And share with me a little bit about your sleeping schedule. Well, first, let's talk about them. First, night owls. Night owls is a kind of person who always would sleep late. They would usually sleep from 10 to more. Like they probably sleep to 10 to 11 p.m., 12 p.m. or 1 a.m. or something, and that's really really bad for our body. But some nights owl usually they would sleep late, but still they really healthy and they energetic. Like me, I'm a person who sleep kinda late, like about 10:13 or something. And I'm still a really active person. And nearly every morning I'll just wake up and ride through the park. So it's just not bad at all for some people to be a night owl. Next, morning larks. Morning larks are people who are really active in the morning. They are usually more interested in the morning and they would do things better in the morning, especially from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Those are the times where they're really active and they can do things really, really good. And it's just like their favorite time to do things, especially doing their works and a lot of other things too. Afternooners. Afternooners are people who usually would have best time in 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Those persons are usually active in the afternoon and are always super careful. Nappers. Nappers are people who doesn't really have a schedule, but usually they would do have some nap for each day. Usually they have nap in the midnoon, so it's really good for them. Well, let's talk about them. Well, first, night owls. Night owl people are usually people who will wake up really late, but still they're not really tired because of their time at all, and they usually would just try to focus in the night more than just staying and doing things in the day. Morning larks are people who usually will sleep soon or something so that they would wake up soon in the mornings. And those kind of people are usually really active and are always having a positive thinking because those kinds of people are always really active in the morning and it could lead to a really good thing. Well, after afternooners are people who usually have some nap or would be really good in the afternoons. They would be active and they would do things better too. Nappers are people who always try to take a nap. Taking a nap doesn't mean an exact time, but it could be from 15 minutes to 2 hours. But it still is a way of charging themselves and charging their energy. So it's better for somebody to take a nap. And I'm also a kind of napper, but also it's a night owl. Well, what about you? Can you please share about what kind of people are you? I'll give you about 1 minute. Let's go. Okay, finish? I hope that you are. Well, it doesn't matter which kind of person are you. How do you sleep? What's your sleep schedule? And the way that you act every day. It still is really good for you to take enough sleep every day. Remember to take enough sleep, have a great sleep, and always do the sleep schedule that makes you to be the most active and looks the best without any health problem. And remember all those things that I've said to you about these kinds of sleep so that you could know which habits will help you to improve your day better than just doing things randomly without thinking about your sleeping schedule and lots of other things too. So now it's time to say goodbye and have a good mood.